Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. Now in this question you have got to work out the answer to 90 take away 56 divided by 8, and the answer gets written in this box here, and this is worth 1 mark in the exam. Now, some children will just be able to look at that and work out the answer straight away. Other children will make a mistake because they get the order wrong, and the order is really important that you do these calculations in order to get the correct answer. Now, to help you remember the order that you have to do the calculations in, you need to remember something called BIDMAS. Now, our key facts are that the B stands for brackets. There are no brackets in this question here, so it's irrelevant in this question here. The I stands for indices or the power, so that's if you've got a squared or a square root or cube, something like that. Again, no indices in this question. The D stands for divide, and we have got a divide in this question, so that is the bit you're going to do first. And that's where people make a mistake because they don't do the divide first, they do the subtract first because that is what is in the order first. So you have to do the divide section first. The M stands for multiply, A stands for add, S stands for subtract. So you've got to look at the two calculations we've got, a subtract and a divide, and the divide comes before the subtract. So have a go at working out the answer, press pause, write down any working you need to as you go along, and then press play when you've got an answer. Fantastic, well done. So hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. So we're going to start off with the divide first. So it says 56 divided by 8, and you should know that 8 goes into 56 7 times, just from using your multiplication facts, knowing that 7 times 8 is 56. Then we've got to do 90 take away the answer we've just worked out, because we know 56 divided by 8 is 7, so we have to do 90 take away the 7, and taking away 7 from 90 gives you 83, which is your 1 mark in the exam. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 83 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. Remember, tell your friends. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.